I'm new to Fairhaven, I'm new to Butler, so I have a ton of stuff to learn from all the other guides, and I'm really looking forward to working with them throughout the year. I've gotten the opportunity to work closely with them throughout the summer, developing the science curriculum. I'm the new science teacher, and we're integrating science and humanities, so environmental science and then government and politics, mushed together into the same course. And so I've been learning a ton from my fellow science teacher, as well as everybody in the park house, and really looking forward to working with them and doing a little bit of collaboration between the students as well from the Fairhaven program and the intermediates.
Yeah, we really want to try and emphasize them working together, and everybody this summer has been helping us prepare and get ready and design our classes. I'm super excited about the science program in particular. I studied science myself, so I'm very excited to integrate that into the curriculum, and it's been a wonderful summer. We're excited and ready to teach.